we doing, Zena?
Hi, we are sitting here at the airport.
Which airport?
Norfolk Airport, and we are about to take the first class ever.
Where are we going?
Going to Oklahoma.
Okay. See you there. Okay, we're in the Atlanta airport.
Delta airline course and
How was
the
the flight,
Delta
Zena?
gate 16.
It was good. I like it.
That was a great flight.
Oklahoma City.
This is the Will Rogers Airport. Nice place. Well, we're in the Alamo checkout line with a brand new Nissan pickup truck. 2,000 miles on it. Love that new car smell. I signed up for a luxury car. He said, "You want to pick up?" I said, "Oh, hell yeah." Now we're off to the Marriott. So here it is, the Toby Keith's. I love this bar and grill. Parking lot is packed. It's right on the Riverwalk, which I see over there. Maybe that's why the parking lot's packed. We're gonna go down there and check it out. But in the meantime, cocktail hour has arrived. It's 5 o'clock, you know. Well, here we are. This place is huge. And they have live music Friday and Saturday, but today is Sunday, so we are out of luck. What do you think, Zena?
It's huge.
And right out the door is Riverwalk, and I don't know, it's funny, we were talking about having catfish the other day, because I've never had it, she's never had it. And I just asked the waiter, "What do you recommend the most?" And he said, catfish. So I don't know, might have to just try it out.
Fried
It's huge. Yeah, but we got the fried catfish and fried okra, some cornbread and coleslaw. What do you think?
The catfish is delicious. It's fresh.
I never had it before. I'm having it right now too, and
The okra is
it's
delicious.
very good. So is that. It's good stuff.
It's perfect. It's good for two, right? It's a big meal.
Yeah, so we got one plate and divided it up. Because we're going to hit some other bars and restaurants on the river. So, we're putting down some margaritas.
Yummy. Pasta.
What do you rate this out of 10?
9. Oh no, 8.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh no, actually 7.
Oh,
Maybe we'll find.
it's going downhill fast.
No, actually 8. 8.
Yeah, I think it's at least an 8. Very good. Good job, Toby. Well, here's the Riverwalk. It's beautiful down here.
There's a dog.
Zoomed in on him.
Oh no, it doesn't go there.
barbecue. We'll have to check that part out next.
Now on the right, we got Toby Keats, I love this fine trip. Toby, Fort Oklahoma.
Oh, I may have to go for a boat ride one of these days.
Really good deal.
Are driving downtown in Oklahoma City.